Banga soup and starch. Banga soup and starch. Yummy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you how I make that wonderful banga soup and starch. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to be making use of only fish for this soup. Catfish, the fresh and dried ones, crayfish, and that is it. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe for more interesting content. The first thing I did was to wash and boil my palm nut. The palm nut is cooked when you can press the nut like I showed you in the video. So after boiling, you proceed to extract the juice. The juice is the base of the soup. So you pour in some water. I chose to use hot water. The hot water will make it very easy for me to sieve out my juice from the palm nut. Kindly note that you can make use of food processor to process the nuts if you don't have this mortar and pestle I used. So this is the extract, that's the juice I got after pounding and filtering my palm nuts. Then I went in with my Banga Stick. I allowed the liquid boil for a while. I now added some Banga Spices. I like that particular brand of Banga Spices. I went in with some crayfish, pepper mix. Then I went in with seasoning. Because I am making use of catfish for this soup, so I allowed the liquid boil down a bit before going in with my washed catfish. As we all know, fish doesn't take too long to cook, so that was why I had to boil down the banga extract. I added some bouillon powder and then went in with salt. I think that was all the seasoning I used for this soup. Guys, please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give me a like, a thumbs up, please. This will help YouTube recommend my videos to more people. So I also went in with the dried catfish. I washed it and cleaned it properly, and I went in with the catfish, then the dried leaves, the dried banga leaves. That was it. At this point, you can taste to see if there's anything you need to add. For me, it was perfect. So from this point, you only boil it to thicken it up. If you like your soup thick, you can leave it on fire to boil for a while. Kindly note that banga soup thickens up as it cools down. So now let's make the starch. Well, of course, the first thing to do is to remove the starch from the nylon because it normally comes like this, tied in a nylon. You proceed to mix it, like dilute the starch with water. Make sure it's a bit runny. Guys, making starch is a tedious process. So make sure you use pots that won't get spoiled in the process. To the starch mixture, you go in with palm oil. Then you continue to stir. You keep stirring until the color changes and the texture too, like you can see in this video. And guys, that is it. Your delicious banga soup and starch is ready. Tell me, have you had banga soup and starch before? Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, comment, and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.